Welcome, here I've got REALME Narzo 35G and I'm gonna show you how to change volume button function in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. The volume buttons at this device are from the left, so let me try to use them now to see how they work with the camera. And as you can see now, by tapping on them I can easily take a picture. To change its function, let's go to the right corner button so we can open the camera settings. And here at the second position we have volume button function, so when we tap on it we can decide to use this as volume, shutter, which is now, or zoom. So let me change it to zoom to show you how it works different, and let's move back to the camera. Now let me try to use volume keys once again. And as you can see, I can easily get closer to my subject and also go back so I can use zoom. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.